Good.
Mr. Ncube, your comment after
Obviously, it was to be expected. It's no surprise at all. I think the surprise would have been if we'd gotten a sense that the court had seriously applied themselves to the case that had been brought before them. It's saddening, it's heartbreaking, but that is what it is in terms of the selective application of the law in our country. Criminals are led to go scot-free. The innocent and the weak are subjected to the law in a selective kind of manner. We are confident that in due time, Blessed is going to be allowed to enjoy the freedom that all of us are currently enjoying. I think fundamentally important is the fact that there wasn't any indication that the court realizes that you're dealing with freedom of expression and press freedom, and that Blessed did not say any of the stuff that he is alleged to have said. I mean, and Blessed is not HSTV. Blessed is not AMH. He's just a journalist practicing his profession, which is constitutionally protected, just like you guys are doing here, broadcasting to the public at home. You can't be accused of inciting the public for broadcasting what I'm saying right now. I am the one who should be brought before the courts, not the journalists who transmit the information. So I'm disappointed in that regard. But this is the reality that we are in right now. Unfortunately, President Mnangagwa owns the courts. They have said they own the military, they own the police. They will do as they please. We will continue. I'm sure the lawyers will do what is right. But what we saw happening today is not fair, it is not justice. And our constitution does not support what has just taken place here. Thank you, good people.
But is it safe now for journalists to interview someone who speaks against the regime?
Well, I think it's clear to me that all of you, under the current circumstances, having seen what you've seen out there, you do this job at your own risk, because the court is not going to protect you. The court is going to side with the regime rather than the journalists who are doing this on behalf of the public. You're not doing this for yourselves. You're doing this on behalf of the public. Your role is to inform the public. You are conveyor belts in a way. Of course, you're supposed to come in and control the quality of what you broadcast. But what we saw happening today says none of you is safe, because you are going to. They will come for you for what you've written. They will come for you for what you've broadcast. But should that make us afraid? No, it should not make us afraid. We should still continue to do what is right by law, what is right by our constitution, and what the public expects us to do.
What does this mean in terms of the reflection on the country, on the profession?
Very bad. So what is important to realize is the link between we are open for business and the application of the law in a manner that is transparent, in a manner that shows that there's fairness, that there's justice, in a manner that gives confidence to those wanting to come and invest in this country, that should they have cases coming to the courts are going to rule in a manner that is fair. What we saw here tells us that you cannot depend on our courts to rule in a fair manner. So, open for business, but applying the law selectively, very negative message that is being sent to international investors. Thank you, good people.
Thank you so much.
But continue to be brave. That's what your job entails.
Thank you.